challenge!
Wow, alright!
The first task I'll complete on the loader.
And I'll use a bulldozer.
I need to put the balls in the yellow tub with the help of the bucket.
And I need to put all the garbage behind the line. Let's start!
Let's go! Wow, 2 balls are done! The task is completed! To complete the next task, I need to demolish all the buildings. Let's go!
I'm going to work on the grab machine. Let's go! What a difficult task! Yeah! Yeah, I did it!
In the next task, I need to fill the yellow tub with the balls. Let's do it! The task is completed!
I'm gonna work on the forklift. I need to pick all the containers and put them on that shelf. Let's go! Great! I just need to put the containers on that shelf. Yeah, I did it!
We've completed all the tasks!
And spent a great time on the construction site. Beep beep. Oh, I wish I could be a driver of a real truck.
Max, it's too early to think about it. You're too small.
Don't worry, Max. I've got an idea. Hi, we would like to order the biggest toy truck you've got.
Oh!
So, kids, are you ready to assemble that truck?
Yes! We need some tools for this. Wow, look at these big wheels.
What a big roof!
This is a steering wheel.
And this is a seat.
Max, bring over the wheels, please.
Okay.
Sophia, bring the seat. And now let's set the rear view mirrors.
Max, screw the motor cover. And now let's stick the stickers.
Yay! Wow, what a cool truck!
Hey, Max, I think your car is missing something.
Whoa!
Max, what are you gonna haul in this truck?
I'm gonna haul tasty and healthy vegetables. Ta-da! And now let's load the veggies. Ready!
Remember, Max, both the driver and the passenger must wear a seat belt at all times while driving the vehicle.
I got it. Let's go! Today was a great day because my dream came true. I became a driver of a truck. Bye! Wee-oo, wee-oo. Wee-oo, wee-oo. Fire, fire!
Max, why do you scream?
I want to be a firefighter. I practice to put out the fire.
Okay.
And now let's go to a call. I see the fire. I don't want to be a firefighter.
Max, firefighters, it's dangerous but very important job. Firefighters help to handle with a fire. They put out fires, rescue people from burning buildings. They help people who got into airplane and automobile crashes. Max, they even rescue cats from trees. I know! I will be a policewoman!
Oh yeah! All money will be mine.
Robber!
Police!
Stop! Stop the car!
Oh no!
Aha! Gotcha! The robber is caught! I'm tired. I won't be a policewoman. The profession of a policeman carries lots of hardship and danger. But people cannot do without it.
Yes, Sophia, indeed. I understand, Sophia. Each profession is very important.
No!
Max, I've got a surprise for you.
Whoa! Oh, thank you, Sophia.
You're welcome.
Ooh.
Oh, I've got an idea. Let's go, Max.
The balloon popped.
Max, look, it's an excavator.
Wow! Right, excavator! Whoa! Cool! Whoa! Wow! It's a bulldozer!
Max, and can I try?
Sure, Sophia!
Cool!
It's another bulldozer! It's a loading machine!
Oh, I've got an idea! Let's blow a gigantic balloon!
Let's look what is inside! Oh! Wow, look at this!
Wow!
Whoa! Let's go!
Wow.
What's this?
A truck! Whoa!
There is a note there. Magic colorful blocks. Wow!
Guys, let's build something with these blocks.
Yeah, great idea! There are also soft blocks here.
Kids, let's sort them by colors. Then it will be easier to use them.
Bye!
Thanks a lot! Blue, pink, purple. I'm gonna build a castle from these blocks.
Red, yellow, green.
It's time to build.
Well done, Sophia. You did a great job.
My house is ready.
Wow! My castle is ready too.
Yeah!
Hooray! We built great houses.
That's right.
What's going on to our houses?
Those were magic blocks.
Wow! Wow! I've always dreamt about this castle.
It's a great playhouse. It is a bulldozer.
This is a crane.
It's a wheel bulldozer.
And this one is a crawler bulldozer.
I want to be a driver of a construction truck so much.
Yes, and I'd like to visit the construction site. I know the place. Let's go, Max. There are so many construction trucks there. Wow!
Wow!
We are in the cabin of a real wheel bulldozer.
Bulldozer broke down?
Max, you fix the engine and I'll check the wheels. Oh!
Wow, it's so cool!
Max, let's roll the wheels to each other.
All right.
Whew. Max, I know. We have to check the oil in the engine.
Okay.
to wear a safety helmet on the construction site.
Sophie, it was such a great day!
I enjoyed that experience too! The profession of a builder is very important. And what do you want to be in the future? Oh, Max, you have a birthday today!
And we got your present. Open up.
I know, it's a fire engine!
Every car has a seat.
And the steering wheel!
And wheels! Oh, so many wires! We'll need some tools to screw the wheels on the front and rear axle.
And now I'll insert the rear view mirrors. And now we'll connect the siren.
A fire engine has a siren. It's used to warn of a fire hazard. Now let's connect the battery. That's it! The car is ready!
Yay!
To become a real firefighter, you need a uniform and fire equipment.
Max, this is a firefighter backpack. It is used in hard-to-reach places where firefighting equipment cannot be used. Every firefighter needs a fire extinguisher. Max, get in here!
Let's go! Firefighters work on the fire station.
Lightning has struck the house!
We have to call the firefighter!
Max, we need your help! The house was struck by lightning and got on fire!
Got you, I'm coming. Let's go! It's quite a fire.
Max, thanks a lot!
You're a real firefighter!
Whew, what a difficult job to be a firefighter.